Most people know you're not supposed to divide by zero. Teachers warn you, calculators panic, and textbooks say undefined. But nobody ever tells you why. Why does dividing by zero cause so much chaos? Let's fix that. Because once you understand it, you'll see why dividing by zero doesn't just break rules. It destroys the entire logic of math. Let's start with a simple question. What does division actually mean? If you say 6 divided by 3 equals 2, that means you're asking, what number times 3 equals 6? Because division is really just multiplication in reverse. 2 times 3 equals 6. Easy enough. Now let's try the forbidden operation. What is 6 divided by 0? We're now asking, what number times 0 equals 6? Let's test a few. 0 times 1 equals 0. 0 times 100 equals 0. 0 times a billion equals 0. No matter what number you pick, when you multiply it by 0, you always get 0. There is no number that you can multiply by 0 to get 6, which means 6 divided by 0 has no answer, not even an incorrect one. It is literally undefined. But what if we try to define it anyway? What happens if we pretend that dividing by 0 works? Well, things break fast. There's a classic proof that shows 1 equals 2 just by dividing by 0. Here's how it goes. Let a equal b. Multiply both sides by a, so you get a squared equals a times b. Now subtract b squared from both sides, then factor both sides. Eventually you divide by a minus b, and suddenly 1 equals 2. Magic? Number, it's garbage math, because a minus b equals 0. And you're not allowed to divide by 0. If you do, logic collapses. That's why math bans it outright. Division by 0 doesn't just produce the wrong answer, it produces every answer. Some people think the answer is infinity. Others say it just gets really big. But none of that holds up. The real truth is, dividing by 0 makes equations meaningless. It opens the door to paradoxes, contradictions, and mathematical nonsense. So instead of forcing it to make sense, math just draws a line and says, nope, you don't get to do that. So the next time you see a divide by 0 error, it's not your calculator being dramatic. It's protecting reality. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like. And if you're ready to learn more, subscribe for more occasional videos.